Hi, I'm Steve Zyskowski, the creator of ReferralTopia, and I am super excited about this year's event on Earth Day, April 22. ReferralTopia, which is presented by Caerusnet Facilitated Referral Teams, is a one-of-a-kind opportunity truly designed to support Michigan-based small business professionals and service providers. So if you count on word-of-mouth referrals to grow your Michigan business, do not miss ReferralTopia this year. And talking about the power of referrals, today I have with me Stan Phelps. Stan is a published author of the Goldfish series of books. He's a Forbes contributing columnist, TEDx speaker. He's a guy with obviously real serious credentials. The fun story that I like about this is that Stan was a referral to me from Caerusnet member Roger Burnett at Social Good Promotions. So glad to be connected to Stan and honored that he's going to be our headline speaker at ReferralTopia this year. Stan, thanks so much for joining me today. What will you be sharing with the audience at ReferralTopia this year?
Yeah, first off, I'm super excited to be part of the event. So thank you for the invitation. I'm going to be talking about the first color in this Goldfish series of books, and it's called the Purple Goldfish. And a little bit of background on how I wrote the book originally. I went out and crowdsourced over 1,000 examples of companies that did the little things to drive referrals in business. Essentially, how do you do the things to take care of the customers you have so they bring you the customers you want? And looking across 1,000 plus examples, it became evident that there's roughly about 10 ways that you can do this that fall into two categories, Stephen. The categories of value, all the things that you can do for the customers you serve, and then an important concept that I call maintenance, meaning what is the experience like as I deal with you, right? How easy do you make it when I do business with you? And so super excited. We'll talk about the why purple and why goldfish. We'll talk a little bit about a concept that really drives the entire book, which is this word lagniappe, but excited about the presentation.
Well, I cannot wait to hear it myself. And everything you're talking about there is super relevant to our audience, which is an audience that really counts on the perfect customer experience. I always say it's my happy and satisfied clients that are going to refer my next ones. So I never really ask for referrals, but I'm always suggesting the behaviors and the things that I'm willing to do for my clients to have that extra experience, right? To make them ultra confident in our relationship. So I'm so excited to hear this. And I wanted to say thanks so much for engaging with our audience on April 22 for ReferralTopia.
Excellent. Looking forward to it.
Thank you, Stan.